So who is going to tell me what we studied last time? Let's do one thing to make sure everyone is participating in discussion. We will like choose one person every day. Today I will start with Dish as he is doing it every time. Am I audible, students? I hope I am audible to you.
Yes, ma'am.
So we will start with Dish, and every day before closing we will like say that whose turn it is. Okay. So next day it will be turn of let me say Mahi. So if Mahi is absent, then again next day it will be her turn. Then you cannot give excuse ke ma'am मैं तो थी नहीं. How will I say about it? Chalo Dish, it's your turn. Speak what we studied last time. Which disease we discussed most?
Ma'am, mutation we have studied.
But in
Types of
mutation,
mutation.
types of mutation is a past history, beta. We studied after that many things. We started discussing about the genetic disorders. So I want
Yes,
detail
ma'am.
about that. So what we studied?
Ma'am, in genetic disorder, we have studied sickle cell anemia and
What are the types
some
of
part.
genetic disorders? How we classify them?
Ma'am, there are two types of genetic disorders: color blindness and hemophilia.
No, beta, it's not correct. Anyone else? Any other answer? Yes, Ria.
Ma'am, sex-linked and autosomal disorder.
Yes, correct. There are many genetic disorders, Dish. It's not only two. These are examples only. You gave only the examples of sex-linked disorder. But other than this sex-linked disorder, there may be other disorders also, which are genetic disorders. So what do we mean by genetic disorders and how they are caused? Who is going to answer this question? Class? What do we mean by genetic disorder and how it is caused? No one can answer this question?
Ma'am, deletion, insertion.
See, today now we will talk about other genetic disorders. Amongst them, one of the most important disorders is called as alkaptopurine. Two words it is divided. This stands for a specific product of metabolism which is known as alkaptone. And urea means because it is present in the urine. So what happens in case of alkaptonuria? The people who are suffering from alkaptonuria, which is an inborn error in metabolism. This type of disorder जहाँ पे म्यूटेशन की वजह से मेटाबॉलिज्म में प्रॉब्लम होता है, मतलब इनकी बॉडी के जो भी मेटाबॉलिक पाथवेज होते हैं, दे आर नॉट वर्किंग प्रॉपर्ली. So we call them inborn error of metabolism. Okay, so in case of inborn error of metabolism, what happens is it's a very interesting kind of disorder. Why? The person who is suffering from alkaptonuria, the moment urine of these people are exposed in the air, it turns black into color. Okay, so alkaptone is having another name, which is also known as homogentisic acid. So whenever it is coming in contact with air, this alkaptone plus homogentisic acid combined with the oxygen present in atmosphere to give you a black colored product, which is responsible for black color urine. Okay, and this is the initial stage. If this continue, then after some time you will be able to see कि ये alkaptone जो है, क्योंकि urine से it is not enough to get it removed. So then what happens is beta, these parts are getting stored here in the ear pinna. Ear pinna में store होने लगता है, and nose के pips में another part में store होने लगता है. And even if it is stored in the joint, so a person who is suffering from disease later on will have like arthritis too. Now this is the symptoms we came to know about the symptoms of alkaptonuria. That first symptom is it can be identified. इसके लिए testing करने की जरूरत नहीं है क्योंकि urine का color black हो जाता है. But let us know the reason. What is the reason of this alkaptonuria? Actually, what happens is normal person में एक enzyme present रहता है, which is known as homogentisic acid oxidase. Let me just. In case of like normal person, there is presence of so what happens is the moment homogentisic acid is produced in high amount in our body, this alkaptone, I'm using this name alkaptone, it's easy for pronounce. So what happens the moment alkaptones go to Krebs cycle? I hope you know that it is a part of what respiratory cycle. जैसे ही alkaptone Krebs cycle में जाता है, जाने की कोशिश करता है, this alkaptone is broken down using this enzyme called homogentisic oxidase. तो क्या होगा? alkaptone अगर break down हो जाएगा, तो क्या होगा? The existence of alkaptone will not be there. Some other product will be there, which is not turning urine into black. But there is mutation in the gene of this enzyme. ये जो homogentisic oxidase enzyme है, इसका gene क्या हो जाता है? Mutated हो जाता है, जिसके वजह से गड़बड़ क्या होती है? alkaptone जो होता है वो ब्रेक डाउन नहीं हो पाता है, तो Krebs cycle में भी वो प्रॉपर्ली जा नहीं पाता है. So that's why it is getting first excreted via urine, and then if it's not like taken care of, and let me tell you, there is no way of permanently taking care of it क्योंकि ये तो genetic disorder है, इसका कुछ हम कर नहीं सकते. So the person will have those symptoms. Is it clear? This part? Class?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So next disorder is also an inborn error in metabolism. This is known as phenylketonuria. Again, phenylketone and urea. So who is going to tell me कि क्या होता होगा इसमें? So in case of normal person, here as also it is a like inborn error in metabolism. In this case also there is mutation of an enzyme involved that is known as phenylalanine hydroxylase. It is known as what? Phenylalanine hydroxylase. So क्या होगा? Normal इंसान में this phenylalanine hydroxylase is produced and it will be converting phenylketone, this phenylketone in presence of this enzyme phenylalanine hydroxylase. The phenylketone can be directly broken down into a desired product. Okay, so it is broken down to produce finally amino acids and all other things. So which is not possible if gene of this enzyme is mutated. तो क्या होगा? फिनोइल कीटोन धीरे धीरे आपके बॉडी में स्टोर होता जाएगा एंड whenever anything excess in our body, जैसे ब्लड शुगर के केस में जिसे हम बोलते हैं डायबिटीज मेलिटस, पहले वो यूरिन में आता है, सेम हियर एंड ये बहुत डेंजरस है क्योंकि धीरे धीरे अगर ये फिनाइल कीटोन का अमाउंट बढ़ता रहा, जो कि obviously we are helpless, we don't have any permanent solution here also, it will store in our brain and like इसके वजह से क्या होता है, मेंटल रिटार्डेशन इज वेरी कॉमन. मतलब बच्चे में मेंटल रिटार्डेशन इज समथिंग जो बहुत स्टॉप हो जाता है, मतलब एकदम मेंटल डेवलपमेंट बंद हो जाता है. बट फिनाइलकीटोनुरिया और अल्काप्टोनुरिया से बचने का एक तरीका है, इफ वी हैव फूड which contain these things or which can produce this type of things, if we can avoid those kind of foods, then obviously a person can avoid this disease up to a certain extent. But generally पता ही नहीं चलता, इसके वजह से बहुत problem already create हो जाता है. Understood? Everyone, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
So these two next disease that I want to talk, it's not metabolic error, but it is related to the skin color, that is called albinism. It is very evident. I think most of us observed the albino people. They are completely white, even their hair and other parts are also white. And let me tell you, due to this kind of genetic disorder, in मतलब animals also ये होता है, जो सफेद शेर होता है या सफेद हाथी अगर होती है, so these are all result of albinism. So what happens here in case of albinism, we know that in our body, for color of our skin, one pigment is responsible, that is for known as melanin. So there is a precursor that is called dihydroxyphenylalanine. From this, with the help of enzyme called tyrosinase, okay, इसको यूज करके finally there will be production of melanin. See, I am drawing these pathways with a single arrow. Remember, these are pathways. Pathways means there will be more than one step in chemical reaction. Okay, so do not consider them as a single step reaction. But out of these steps, wherever tyrosine is involved, if there is any mutation in this tyrosine, what will happen? Melanin production will be stopped. So melanin is very much important for us, and it is protecting our skin from harmful UV rays of that is exposed by the sun. So obviously, in absence of melanin, skin of these people are very much susceptible to sun rays, and आसानी से इनको skin damage and skin cancer हो सकता है. Sometimes if they have albinism in their eyes, no, it is very difficult for them to withstand even the strong light. उनको हमेशा गॉगल्स पहन के चलना पड़ता है क्योंकि बहुत सारा लाइट एक साथ आ जाए तो they cannot respond accordingly. So class, is this all right? Clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
So now I am going to talk about the next disorder that is known as muscular dystrophy. Obviously, as in name there is the word muscular, that means this is in this the damaged part or the main damage will be caused in case of muscles. So generally muscular dystrophy start at early age. The gene responsible for which is responsible for, I should not say, I can say the gene, the mutation of which muscular dystrophy occur is present in X chromosome. So there is a gene present in X chromosome which is responsible for production of a protein in muscle which is known as dystrophin. अब ये प्रोटीन का क्या काम है? Actually, the main function of this dystrophin is known for relay the nerves. आप लोगों ने रिले रेस देखा था होगा कि जैसे एक इंसान के हाथ में एक स्टिक दे दिया जाता है, 10 जन सामने खड़े हैं, भाग के कोई जाता है, सामने देता है स्टिक, वो लेके आगे बढ़ता है. So similarly in our body, नर्व इम्पल्स, नर्व की जो इंस्ट्रक्शन होती है या जो रिएक्शन होती है, दैट इज ट्रेवलिंग फ्रॉम वन सेल टू अनदर सेल, दिस इज कॉल्ड द ट्रेवलिंग ऑफ इम्पल्स. एंड ये जो रिले होता है एक सेल से दूसरा, दूसरे सेल से तीसरा, दिस रिले इज हैम्पर्ड. अब इसकी वजह से क्या गड़बड़ होता है? I hope you studied about muscle contraction. You know the role of calcium ions for muscle contraction. Actin और myosin को bind नहीं हो सकते if calcium is not released. So it is actually if dystrophin is not produced, the message that is coming from nervous system cannot properly reach to the nerve cell, and it cannot contract and expand properly. So calcium level कैसे बताऊं मैं, कैल्शियम लेवल अचानक से बढ़ जाता है बिकॉज दे डोंट हैव अ कंट्रोल. नॉर्मली क्या होता है, व्हेन दे मसल नीड टू कॉन्ट्रैक्ट, कैल्शियम इज रिलीज फ्रॉम सार्कोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम. जैसे ही मसल का कॉन्ट्रैक्शन हो जाए वापस से वो एब्जॉर्ब कर लेता है. बट इन दिस केस दिस कोऑर्डिनेशन ऑफ रिलीज एंड एब्जॉर्प्शन ऑफ कैल्शियम फ्रॉम सार्कोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम इज नॉट मेंटेन्ड. तो क्या होगा, धीरे धीरे कैल्शियम लेवल बढ़ने लगता है. एक्टिन और मायोसिन जो होते हैं वो कैल्शियम के डिपोजिशन की वजह से डिस्ट्रॉय हो जाता है. एंड मतलब ये जिनको होता है ना, दे डोंट लीव मोर देन 20 इयर्स. क्योंकि बॉडी में स्मूथ मसल बोलो, रफ मसल बोलो, मेनी टाइप्स ऑफ मसल्स आर देयर. इफ दे आर इनवैलिड ऑब्वियसली a person cannot live. So very sad disease, and some of them are life taking, some of them are giving pain to the people throughout their life. But this is all, these are all, thank God, we need to thank God that all these disorders are homogeneous recessive. So that means they can be expressed only in homozygous condition. If even if out of two genes, even if one is normal, then the abnormal gene cannot act. It will remain as a carrier, but it cannot act. So only way to get rid of these diseases is before the marriage, one should check for these types of genetic disorders in male and female. So बोला जाता है कि आज के जमाने में राहु केतु कुंडली मिलाने से अच्छा है you check the for the genetic disorders, and if it is found out that two people getting married are carrier or they have something like that, then I think it's a good idea to not to plan child, or you plan child via surrogacy or by some other method, or you do not marry each other. So this is the only way to avoid such kind of disorders. Anyone any question, beta? So these are the diseases where we studied color blindness, hemophilia, then we studied sickle cell anemia, muscular dystrophy. Here some part or the gene mutation is occurring. So part of chromosome is deleted, or there is pinpoint alteration in the genetic makeup of the cell. Tomorrow we will study about the what I can say, chromosomal number mutation. मतलब अगर कहीं क्रोमोसोम से एक बढ़ जाता है तो घट जाता है, तो what are the genetic disorders that is taking place. Any question, anyone? Class?
No, ma'am.
So one thing is sure, we cannot treat them. We can reduce the symptom, but prolonged presence of these diseases are actually hazardous, and they create so many problems in life of people suffering from this. So today that's all from my side. Tomorrow we will meet and continue with the chromosomal number.